When you need to replace the blades on your PolyCut 2-2 or PolyCut 3-2 mowing head, there are two options available to you. You can either replace the PolyCut blades, or you can fit mowing line to the PolyCut head instead. We'll show you how to do them both here using the PolyCut 2-2 head. It works in the same way on the 3-2, but the heads look slightly different. First, remove the safety key on the machine so there's no risk of the machine accidentally starting while you're working on it. Next, prop the machine up so that you can access the mowing head. As you can see, these blades are beginning to get a little bit worn. You can rotate them to even up the wear on both sides, or you can replace them with new ones, but the method is the same. Simply slide the old blade off, then hook the new one on and click it into place. If you would like to use nylon mowing line instead of the blades, that's another option. It takes blue 1.6mm line, and you need around 10 centimeters of line for each side. First, you need to remove the old blades. Then take your 10 centimeter piece of line and slide it up through the slot here. Next, bend it over and poke it into this side and pull it tight to lock it into place. Then just trim any excess line and do exactly the same on the opposite side. For more how-to videos, just take a look at the STIHL GB YouTube channel.